Sure.
It's a motivation for you. It's a motivation for those people who has an evil mindset that girls are only made to do chulha, chauka and household work.
goodness.
It's a mentality for those people. And why I'm just saying this? Because I'm communicating with you. Because I am just want to convey my thought, and this is only a conversation.
Yes, sir.
Your confidence
Yes, sir.
has made me
Yeah.
unconfident.
Why, sir?
Exactly. You know, give me your hand. Touch here. Don't touch there. That is fefda.
Okay, sir.
Look here.
Oh. Oh, sorry. Sorry, sir. Okay.
Making a famous personality or favorite like heroes like Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan. They are not our hero. They are actor. They are just Nachaniya and Gawaniya. Don't take them people seriously and don't follow their personality. If you want to follow the person, follow the Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh should be our idol. Should be your idol. The first line of the Bhagat Singh was
August and 26th January and 2 October. When you will celebrate your all day like 26th January and 15th August.
And you are really doing something for yourself. That is called self nourishment. So आप सब लोग से हाथ जोड़कर रिक्वेस्ट है, विनती है कि आप लोग अपने मोहल्ले में, अपने समाज में, अपने गांव में, अपने शहर के लिए कुछ तो किसी के लिए प्रेरणा बने, किसी के हौसला अफजाई के लिए कुछ करें जिससे उनको भी एक एम्पावरमेंट मिले. और
India. We're just surviving our life. We're not thinking. The maximum people don't know how much Union territory, how much state in our India. They don't know fundamental right तो छोड़िए इन्हें fundamental duty भी नहीं पता. That type of they just scrolling the shorts in the mobile and looking, and maximum boys following the girls ID.
that's fine. Thank you so much. All right, dear Will Talk family. I want to thank you first of all on this Saturday. I invited you all for this outdoor public speaking and you all have come. It means that you appreciated my statements and you really complied with my words. That is why you have come here to appreciate and motivate me for this public speaking. My dear brothers and sisters, my name is Kaif, as you all know. But this you don't know. You don't know my name. Thank you for Gangor Bejjati, sir. Alright, so my name is Kaif, but guys, this name of Kaif doesn't show anything. Name doesn't do anything. Naam doesn't do anything. Kaam does everything, guys. Whether my name is Kaif or my name is Syam or my name is Jack, I don't have anything to do with that. I only have to do with my calm. And what is my calm? My calm is to make you do calm. My calm is to let you come out of being nakam actually. My calm is actually to do something for your makan, guys. My calm is to do something for insan, guys. My calm is to make you do something for Hindustan, guys. I know you have arman, you have to do some ihsan for this Hindustan, guys. So ladies and gentlemen, my brothers and sisters, that is why I have decided one patriotic public speaking. Let me make you understand what actually does it mean by patriotic, guys. A person who is damn loyal to his or her own country, he is actually a patriotic person. Now, being a loyal doesn't mean to eat laddu and barfi on 15 August only or 26 January only, guys. Patriotism, the person who has patriotism, he doesn't stop helping Indian people. A patriotic person always thinks about the development of this country. A patriotic person always thinks about uniting people. A patriotic person always thinks the beauty of this country. A patriotic person thinks about the quality of this country. A patriotic person always thinks about, making Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai together, guys. So we brothers and sisters, we are actually patriotic. So let us not be so called patriotic, guys. Let us talk about the development of this country, guys. We the people can do something for this nation, guys. हम सिर्फ बातें करते हैं, हमें बड़ी हल्की बातें लगती है. हम सिर्फ कहते हैं तो कहने से बातें बड़ी हल्की से लगती है. बस ठीक है, आज सुन लिए फिर आगे बढ़ेंगे. बस इतना सोचना है, हमें सरकार से गुहार लगानी है, सरकार से जो है एक विनती करनी है, सरकार से हमें अदबन गुजारिश करनी है, सरकार से हमें निवेदन करना है कि हमें किस किस चीज़ पर काम करना चाहिए. अगर सरकार क्या है भाई? सरकार आप सभी लोग सर हैं हमारे, सर. और कार, दैट इज कार्य, गाइस. हे सर डू कार्य, राइट. आई मीन टू से दैट आप हमारे सर हैं, हम सभी सर हैं. तो आप सभी लोग आदरणीय हो, आप सभी लोग रिस्पेक्टेड हो, तो आप सब लोग सर हो. कुछ करो कार्य तो आप ही हो सरकार, गाइस. तो करो कुछ कार्य जो है अपने सरकार के लिए. अब करना क्या है? हमें आवाज़ उठानी है उस बहनों के लिए, हमें आवाज़ उठानी उस भाइयों के लिए जो हमारे समाज, हमारे मोहल्ले में बेचारे दबे हुए हैं, बड़े सप्रेस्ड हैं. सो वी ऑल हैव टू uplift them, guys. I mean, somehow you made yourself come here, somehow you really pushed yourself, uplifted yourself, and you came here in Lucknow city and you are really doing something for yourself. That is called self nourishment. So आप सब लोग से हाथ जोड़कर रिक्वेस्ट है, विनती है कि आप लोग अपने मोहल्ले में, अपने समाज में, अपने गांव में, अपने शहर के लिए कुछ तो किसी के लिए प्रेरणा बने, किसी के हौसला अफजाई के लिए कुछ करें, जिससे उनको भी एक एम्पावरमेंट मिले और आए. अक्सर करके बच्चों को फोन आता है, सर मेरे गांव का लड़का एक अजीत आप क्या हैं, आपके गांव, हमारे गांव की लड़की ये है वो है. बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि आप लोग यहाँ पे परफॉर्म कर रहे हो, आपकी वीडियो वहाँ दिखती है, वो लोग फोन करते हैं, सर मेरे गांव को बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म करा, मैं भी आना चाहता हूँ. तो यू गाइज आर रियली द डोर ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी, यू आर रियली इंस्पिरेशन, गाइज. यू आर रियली द स्टेयर फॉर द पीपल. तो आइए अपने बातों से कुछ थोड़ा आगाज करिए, कुछ बताइए लोगों को, कुछ समझाइए लोगों को हमें ग्राउंडेड लेवल पे, जमीनी स्तर पे हमें क्या करना चाहिए अपने मोहल्ले के लिए, अपने समाज के लिए और ऑफ कोर्स अपने देश के लिए, जो और लोगों को प्रेरणा मिल सके. देन ऑफ कोर्स दे कुड डू समथिंग फॉर us and for this nation, guys. All right? So do you have something to say? आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ उठा सकते हो. आप सिविक सेंस पे बातें उठा सकते हो, अवेयरनेस के लिए. आप एम्प्लॉयमेंट पे बातें उठा सकते हो, आप लैंग्वेज फैक्टर पे बातें उठा सकते हो, आप जो है इकोनॉमी पे बातें उठा सकते हो, आप सरकार को कुछ कहना चाहते हो उस पे बातें उठा सकते हो, आप जो है वैकेंसी पे बातें कर सकते हो, आप सुपर टेट पे बातें कर सकते हो, आप यूपीएससी की बातें कर सकते हो, आप नीट एग्जामिनेशन के ऊपर बात कर सकते हो, आप जो है एजुकेशन फैक्टर्स की बातें कर सकते हो, आप स्कॉलरशिप की बातें कर सकते हो, आप जो है मेडिकेशन की बातें कर सकते हो, आप मेडिटेशन की बातें कर सकते हो, आप कोऑपरेशन की बातें कर सकते हो, आप इलेक्शन की बातें कर सकते हो, आप जो है पैट्रियोटिज्म की बातें कर सकते हो, आप नीट इंडिया की बातें कर सकते हो, स्वच्छ भारत अभियान की बातें कर सकते हो, आप जो है अपने घर के डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस की बातें कर सकते हो, आप जो है मोहल्ले में बहुत सारा जो है तकरार हो जाता है, जो है टकराव हो जाता है, आप उस पर बातें कर सकते हो कि हम जैसे लोग एक मोरालिटी से, एक स्पिरिचुअलिटी से कैसे समाज में एक नंबर 1 का बदलाव लाया जाएगा. इस Understood or not? Yes, sir. Exactly. कुछ बातें हिंदी में, कुछ बातें इंग्लिश में. You can say that I will feel proud. और मुझे भी बहुत सच में अच्छा लगेगा अगर आप कुछ बातें यहाँ पे रख पाएंगे. इससे क्या होगा कि हम थोड़ा अपना कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड कर पाएंगे और कहीं के एक हिस्सा दिख पाएगा कि आपने भी कुछ अपने हिस्से की बातें रखी है. Right? So is there anybody who wants to come here and stand with me here? Right? Come on. Who can share the stage with me and be with me? आइए मिलकर बातें करते हैं कुछ फैक्ट पे. Is there anybody? Yes, sir. Who wants to come? He knows how to speak English, right? Come on. किसी को अच्छे बोलना आती है, किसी को ठीक ठाक आती है, किसी को थोड़ा बहुत आती है, बट आती है. But yes, इस पार्क से मैं एक बात कहना चाहूँगा, लैंग्वेज की बात आई. कोशिश करो एक अच्छा विचारक बनने की. guys. Language can be learned anywhere, right? But the person who is the best vicharak, It's a medium, right? It's a medium. So be a vicharak so that you can be a dharak. I mean to say that आपका अच्छा विचार ही आपका अच्छा समाचार कराता है. आपका अच्छा विचार ही आपका अच्छा व्यापार कराता है. आपका अच्छा विचार ही आपका अच्छा शिष्टाचार दिखाता है. तो कृपा करके आप लोग अच्छा विचार डेवलप कर. बी इंफॉर्मेटिव, बिल्ड योर विजडम, राइट. और तो कभी कभी कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं जो हम एक्सप्रेसिव भी होते हैं लेकिन अनकॉन्फिडेंट होने की वजह से बहुत अच्छे विचारक नहीं बन पाते हैं. तो एवरीबॉडी इज रिक्वेस्टेड टू कम एंड बी अ विचारक हियर टुडे. Be a kind of informative today. Be kind of expressive today. Anybody else who wants to come here before the people and convey the message on the importance of communication and language? Anybody? Yes. Please. Yes. Come on. The exact communication. Come on.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
So this is me, the training of the Well Talk Institute, and we all have gathered here and we have got an topic, what is communication and what is English? Oh come on, there's just this word. English doesn't mean that you are just speaking good English. The first thing is, what is communicator? Who are the communicator? What is communication? I'm just conveying my thought to you. This is communication. Communication doesn't mean just speaking English and stealing the heart of people. You know, our society, our audience are mad. They just only want to see if I speak good work, ताली बज जाएगी वहीं पे. If I speak wrong, on that time people will throw juta on me, shoes on me. This is only thing. We have to steal the heart of our audience, and that only can be by the good words, by the good communication. If I speak good words to you, if I motivate you, of course you will say how good she's speaking, and that is the real conversation between you and her. This is what exactly.
Fantastic.
Communication doesn't mean just speaking अच्छी English झाड़ना, this is and everything, doesn't mean the communication.
Wow.
Communication means creating aura. Kaab sir is standing here, people are listening because he has created an aura. He has a position, that's why people listen to him, and that's he has the mentality, he's a good person. That's why people used to cooperate him just because of his deed. When an IS officer come in any society or any colony, people used to just see of his face. They are mad to see the face, because for what? Because that person has created an aura. You need to create an aura.
Sure.
Unless you're not something, people will never know you. Some days before, our Indian girls have played. How good ways they have played. They have proved that we girls are more we expect. Our government has trusted us, gave us chance, and really our Indian girls have made us proud. They are sitting in the conference. This is really a proud moment. These are the motivation for those girls who are still lacking behind, who are still in the villages, not able to get education, not able to share their views, not able to share their talent.
Sure.
It's a motivation for you. It's a motivation for those people who has an evil mindset that girls are only made to do chulha, chauka and household work.
goodness.
It's a mentality for those people. And why I'm just saying this? Because I'm communicating with you. Because I am just want to convey my thought, and this is only a conversation with you all. This is only communication, and I'm communicating with you all. You are just listening to me, and this is only a communication. When people say anything, people or the expectation listen to you, this is only a communication. And communication doesn't mean that you are just only that person. Just be something, unless you will not be attaining a position. It's for me also. If today I'm just saying anything, in future if I don't be something, it will be a big slap on myself.
Exactly.
I have to also be something. Because unless I'll not be something, I'll only consider myself as a nothing. Loser. I'm just loser. I'm just saying this, and if I become something in my future, then this video will look good to me, that yes, I did it what I wanted to be. Thank you so much. I think I spoke too much.
No, it's okay. Very nice.
Thank you
Very
so much,
nice.
sir. You gave me the chance. and
Fantastic.
and
Very nice.
express everything over here.
Fantastic. Very nice. Now I just want to invite unconfident people actually, right? Let them say something why they are learning English, why they are learning how to communicate actually. Let me invite, is there anybody who is unconfident? Yes? Okay, Dhananjay, please come here. Wow, it's enjoy. Hello, Dhananjay.
How are you, sir? I'm asking, sir, how are you?
Bhalo.
Are you comfortable in this part?
Of course I am, but you know, I'm speechless.
Why, sir?
I love you so much.
Okay, so thank you so much.
Are you excited to say something?
Yeah, of course, because I am going to discuss about this topic, so I'm really excited.
That's great. So you have to motivate these people for communication and language, okay? Come on.
Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
Today I am going to discuss about this topic. Ma'am, why did you come in Lucknow city? Why did you come in Welltalk Institute?
Yeah, for like you are.
Spoken English?
Yeah, I am speaking in English, but let
So-
me give chance na to speak.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
One day
Like
you will be
I
spoken
also
English very
feel
well, ma'am.
fear. I also feel fear.
Yeah, of
na,
course.
Just because of that.
I will
like,
pray
I'm
for you,
studying.
and definitely most of the peoples they are spoken. They want to learn spoken English because that reason is speaking English level is too good, and the speaking level will connect into other peoples. How is culture? How is culture? How is culture? Nowadays, everywhere when you will go that sides for job, that time they will not allow you. Why? Because English language. That reason. You will have to know this language, otherwise one day you will not get success in your life.
Excuse me.
Yeah, of course, English language is most important nowadays.
No.
No, you are wrong, sir. You are wrong. Of course, you are wrong, sir.
मतलब हम डरा दे रहे
When you because I didn't know before a few years ago.
I'm unconfident because
So
of
you
your
are
confidence.
suppose you think that time when you were in your village, that time people did not know about yourself. But when you have got success, that time people know who is Capsar. Of course, sir, because you know English language and you were our teacher, so that's why. Hard work matter because you hard work matter. He did hard work. He did hard work. So if you want to do your life in your life, please keep hard working and keep decision. Take a decision, good decision. One day definitely you will get success in your life. So
All right.
I'm feeling a little bit nervous, but when my sir, honorable sir, beside my side, so I will not care about it. So thank you so much, everybody. Have a good day and please enjoy this park. Are you comfortable in this park? Yes. Okay. Thank you so much for listening me. Yes, sir.
Your confidence
Yes, sir.
has made me
Yeah.
unconfident.
Why, sir?
Exactly. You know, give me your hand. Touch here. Don't touch there. Touch here. Arun, that is fefda.
Okay, sir.
Look here.
Oh. Oh, sorry. Sorry, sir. Okay. Oh my God.
Because of your confidence.
So, sir,
You are already
I believe that
confident, right?
one day, not now, but it will take time. Most of the people say, most of the YouTubers saying that I will teach you English language within 20 days. They are talking a lie because you have to know they are talking a lie. It will take time, bro. It will take time.
So capsule will also take time.
No, yeah, no.
but
You are a
He
good
said
teacher.
for me the capsule
You are a
can
good
speak
teacher
English.
for us. I know, sir. Your teaching level
Thank
is
you
too
so much,
good.
sir. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank
Yeah,
you
of course,
so
thank you.
much. All
Have a
right,
good day.
please have a
Okay,
seat. Very nice, very nice. To the next point of any patriotic talks, guys. Anybody? Yes. I want those to come who do not speak actually. आप लोग speakers बुलाएंगे, आप लोग भी बुलाएंगे, but I want those people to come. ये आए, ये आए, ये आए, ये आए, ये आए, ये आए, ये लोग आए. हाँ. जो नहीं बोलता अगर वो बोलेगा आज एक्टिविटी में लगे कि हाँ यार हमने कुछ किया हो. Yes. Let me invite Shalini, please come on stage. Come on, speak confident.
Good afternoon, everyone.
No.
So today we are together here for our build confidence, for building confidence,
Right?
and speaking the topic of the patriotism, which is related to all youth and all the Indian peoples. It's the very like our army people. They are serving our country for our nation. They are giving their duty for our nation, so people can live here very confidently without fear. We are Indian, but here we are like in this time we had
Louder.
in this time we have to think about our India, because if they are serving for the nation, so it's our responsibility to do something for our India, and be a patriotic. It doesn't mean only host the flag only 15th August and 26th January and 2 October. When you will celebrate your all day 26th January and 15th August, it shows and it's build our India to become a developed country. But when we are talking about our nationality, so people, when we went any other country, then we shows our nationality. I'm Indian, but our civic sense shows them. Some people, they are taking bath in the pond. They are showing their civic sense like a very bad way. In our India, people doesn't think which place is good. There is write something, don't spread here, they are spread there. What is this? We are Indian. If we will do like that, our India will never develop.
Very nice.
See the other country, people, they are only following one culture, but in our India we are following many cultures. After that we are living here very calmly. If you many leaders and many youth, when they are talking about the religions, we are coming ahead for fighting. If it comes to the rights to take rights for good decisions, then we are always if something happens, then we are not come out for the doing good. When it comes to the religion, every person come ahead for talking with the religious. So what is this? Don't think about the religious. Be a friend. My friends.
Don't think about religion.
Don't think about religion. Be a human and think about we are a brother sister.
And that's the beauty of India.
That's the beauty of India. Many leaders and many soldiers, they are giving their life, they are sacrificing their life for the nation. What we are doing, if someone, we are only in our neighbors, fighting with the neighbors for the only few field. We are fighting and we are cutting each other's throat. It is the India, it is the nationality, it's our nationality. If you will do like that, it shows how short-minded people living in India.
How narrow-minded.
How narrow-minded people living in India. So I only want to say you what is the real definition of the be a patriotic person. Because in this time, when it comes to only celebrate the 26th January, 15th August, then we are together, and after that we forget who is our brother, who is our sisters.
Right.
So it is the when we are think about our youth, and in this time I want to say a leader, they are not thinking about the youth, but they should have to think about our youth, because they are the generations for developing India. We are only user. We are using our leader says we made our India to artificial digital India. Digital India. We are only user. We are not developer.
Exactly.
Like China makes all many many apps, and which apps we make. So if here is like a lack of the infrastructure, and like a leader should think about the infrastructure. You have been a great audience on the day.
बहुत अच्छे.
Thank you, sir.
Very nice. You spoke this much beautiful because of Parker. It was, I mean, how did you speak beautiful?
Because of you, sir.
No, my goodness. For the first time you spoke this much. Exactly. Fantastic. Very nice. Please sit down.
What they are saying? खुश रहना देश के प्यारो, अब हम तो सफर करते हैं, अब हम तो सफर करते हैं. They are sacrifice their life
Right.
for us.
For us.
For us, they sacrifice our everything.
They sacrificed their everything.
They sacrificed
Dear.
their everything for our freedom. They sacrificed their freedom for our freedom. So guys, we are the future of our country. I think we should do something for our country. Thank you so much, and you have been great audience of the day. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mr. Upen Singh, and now I'd like to switch and I would like to talk about the government jobs and the private sector jobs and entrepreneurship. We all have responsibilities, we all have our duties. Now we all are young and youth of our family, of our country. And everybody is talking about the Chandrasekhar, everybody is talking about the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. We don't need to be like them. We have to become successful in our life. And to become that, earlier we was slave of the Britishers, but now we have freedom. We can get whatever we want to, we in our life, and we can pay tax. And everything will take care of our government. And our government will perform each and everything. But now I would like to switch that. All the boys and girls, they are living in PG. They are living in room and they are preparing for the IAS examination, NDA examination, and they are doing really, really well and trying their level best. But this is our also age. We should always think that getting job is part of our life. Getting job is a part of our life. It's not the purpose of our life. Give your 100% and decide first that what is your capability. We all know about the manifestation, and there are so many motivational speakers available on YouTube channels, and they are thinking that whatever you will think, you can become. But this is false. First you have to realize and find out yourself that what is your capability, what we are good at. We should pursue that thing, and we should give our importance 1 year or 2 years. We have multiple options. We should not die, and we should not sacrifice our whole youth for the government job. Suppose that in your 30s, in your 35, you will become an IAS officer. What will you get? You will lose so many things. According to me, in my opinion, what I am able to think, we have multiple ways nowadays. We can earn money from them, and we can get respect from them. But we have to be genuine, we have to be loyal, we have to be honest, whatever we are doing. Suppose that you are preparing for any kind of examination. You cannot go in that profession, but you can become the good teacher of any subject. And in that profession, you can get more name and fame. Now you can see one of the greatest teacher of the IAS officer, Vikas Dev Kirti sir. The way he speak, everybody wants to listen him. The way he address, everybody wants to listen him. And he also mentioned in his speeches, and the way he addressed all the boys and girls, they told them, it is not necessary to sacrifice your whole life. You can look at the conditions of the boys and girls. They have fear that when I will go at my home, then how I will show my face to my parent, to my relatives. Do not think about all of them. Believe in yourself and find out your goal. And definitely you can do better in your life. It is not that you are not getting government job, that your life is finished. You cannot do anything. There are so many bloggers, and there are so many content creators. There are so many mentorship. There are so many courses what you can learn about the computers, and you can become the yoga teacher, the trainer in gym, and that profession are really well, and they are paying very well. We should not think so much about our life that what will happen. There is a line of very great man. You are safe. You are feeling safe in a bus when you don't know the driver. You are feeling safe in your plane when you don't know the pilot. You are feeling safe in boat when you don't know the captain. Then why you are not feeling well in your life? Even you know that God isn't in our control. And left each and everything over God and do your best in your life, so that you can attain and you can get whatever you want to get and achieve in your life. And now our motive is that we all are here, and we all are here to present ourselves, to show our skills, to show our enthusiasm to everyone. There are so many distractions will come, but we have to focus over ourselves. We have to grab the attention, and we should listen our friends, so that when you will come here, they should also listen. If you will not listen them, if you will not cooperate with them, nobody will listen to all of you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I am also the part of Beltalk Institute, and I am training myself. I am learning so many things in Beltalk Institute. There are so many boys and girls. They have good knowledge. They have gem knowledge, and each and everything. We should notice each and everything. We should observe each and everything. Whenever we get opportunity, then we should deliver our best, whatever we can think, and we should not come with preparation. Whatever we prepare, everybody can do this, and we should always try to do something impossible, and we should give always shock to our mind, because our mind always play with us. When we have to do something good thing, when we start watching the watch, when we have to watch the match, then we can watch the match whole day. When we have to watch the Big Boss series, we can watch whole day. But when it comes to study, that I have to read 1 hour a day, then we will start watching watch. You can feel, you can talk about your mind, that why it is happening. Nobody listen their mind. We should always become the master of our mind. We should control our mind. We should not allow to our mind that it should control all of us, because we are the boss, and mind exists in our body. Number of boys and girls, they always watch the motivational speech. 10 minutes they have watched, and again they started watching. But they are not thinking that their mind is playing with them. We all are capable. We can do whatever we want to do. But first we have to control on ourselves. Suppose that at night time you can talk to everyone, at your friend, but if you get late, you are coming late from somewhere, then you will not study that day. I will do study at the morning. Or 23-year-old. If we are able to control our mind and we get focused over any particular topic for only 1 day, and 1 day is enough for anything, whatever you want to be, start looking and searching for that thing and getting knowledge. You will become the better. If you are living with in the group of 4 friends or 2 friends, you will become better than them. Then we have to find out that, and we should not think about anybody, everyone, and we should never ever compare ourselves to other person, that he is better than me and he is speaking better than me. You will get opportunity, and you will always get chance that you can present yourself and prove yourself that you are something. You are also unique. You can become the special person. You should not consider, you should not contemplate about each and everyone. It was my message. Thank you so much. You have been great Beltalk trainees of today. This was Mr. Open Singh.
Good afternoon, everyone. And thank you for CAPSAS having me such a golden opportunity. So I can represent my view on the topic of the patriotism, and it's a very good topic. It is nearest to my heart, because I am not saying everyone not patriotic person, but I am so closest. When I was in my college, in my school, I was the first person who going to represent the speech and the topic of the patriotism. So it's a gold opportunity. After a long time, I get this opportunity to speak again, and right now I'm remembering my childhood, which way I started my the speech on the patriotism and nationalism. So first topic, I am very fond of Bhagat Singh, because Bhagat Singh, Rajguru Sukhdev, 3 people were hanged by the British government 23rd March 1931, and that day was very painful for all of the Indians, because such a greatest revolutionary was hanged by the British Sarkar, because they didn't tolerate their passionate desire to free India. So now I want to relate the today's youth with Bhagat Singh. He was just 23-year-old, and we are more than 23 years, and what we are doing right now, we are even maximum people are not aware about what is going on in our country, the basic issue of the country. What is the government policy? What is the policy government passed right now? No one aware about it. The people are maximally youth people and maximally girls. Also, I am later on I also refer to Bhadra Kumari Chauhan and Jhansi Ki Rani for the girls. For the Bhagat Singh respective, what people you are doing? You are making the famous personality your favorite like heroes like Salman Khan, Shahrukh Khan, and Sushant Singh Rajput. They are not our hero. They are actor. They are just Nachaniya and Gawaniya. Don't take them people seriously and don't follow their personality. If you want to follow the person, follow the Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh should be your idol. Should be your idol. The first line of the Bhagat Singh was in the jail, and someone asked him why you are against the British government. The Bhagat Singh was said that I am not against the British government, I am against the British policy, because today the maximum people are died due to starvation, but government is not focusing on that. And he passes on like, लिख रहा हूँ मैं अंजाम जिसका कल आगाज आएगा, लिख रहा हूँ मैं अंजाम कल आगाज आएगा, मेरे लहू का हर एक कतरा इंकलाब लाएगा. But Bhagat Singh was thought like that कि our next generation will be like that and will take inspiration from my ideas. But right now your people, I think maximum people are even don't know, even don't read the history of the Bhagat Singh, how much he has struggled in his life. And second, from the girls' point of view, I am going to refer the Jhansi Ka Rani. Jhansi Ka Rani, become a Jhansi Ka Rani, it doesn't mean go and slap a boy. If you want to become a Jhansi Ka Rani, firstly you should become independent by thought, by behavior. At least you should have open mindset to talk to anyone. A one girl going to talk to a boy doesn't mean that there is something wrong going on. It should be as a human being, I want to interact a boy. It means the boy are the more open-minded. They have lots of ideas. That's why it doesn't mean I have less character. Okay, so girls should be like that. Talk to anyone with freely, preserve your identity, preserve your character, and that way you can go to talk to your boy. The Subhadra Kumar Chauhan, the main revolutionary of that time when the Bhagat Singh was, and he written one kavita, one poem to revolutionize that time of the women, because that time of women was so depressed, they don't know their right, they didn't know their right. And the poem is like that: सिंहासन हिल उठे राजवंशों ने भ्रिकुटी तानी थी. भ्रिकुटी means दो आई, this eyebrow is a भ्रिकुटी. Okay, so सिंहासन हिल उठे राजवंशों ने भ्रिकुटी तानी थी, बूढ़े भारत में आई फिर नई जवानी थी. Because that time Bharat was not so strong, and the next line was that घूमी हुई आज़ादी की कीमत सबने पहचानी थी. People don't know what is the feeling of the freedom, and these things are realized by our revolutionaries. And the next line, दूर फिरंगी को करने को सबने मन में ठानी थी, चमक उठी सन 57 की, चमक उठी सन 57 की, वो तलवार पुरानी थी, बुंदेले हर बोलो के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी हो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. The girl should be like that. Right now you have not talwar, you don't take talwar, your pain is the talwar. Your pain is the talwar. You should empower by your pain and get such a powerful position. You can decide the person, anyone's life by your pain. That should be the right now your talwar, your weapon. That's not empowerment. Doesn't mean just wear a western dress and look very beautiful. No, you have beauty, but with beauty you should have courage to reject any person proposal, and also very respectfully, and say that, look, I am making ready for us. I want to be prepared. I do fashion for not boys. I am doing for myself. It's my person. I want to feel good. That's why I'm try to look good, na. So it's boy problem. You should be become like it should be become like Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was 23-year-old, and one girl proposed him that I want to marry you. The Bhagat Singh was said like, my first premika is my Desh. You are not. You are not. If I will live in freedom India, in free India, I will definitely marry you because you love me. I will marry, but in free India. Right now, my first beloved is my Bharat, my India. and that show how much the love he has for the India. And right now we are not loving that much to India. We're just surviving our life. We're not thinking. The maximum people don't know how much Union territory, how much state in our India. They don't know fundamental right to छोड़िए, इन्हें fundamental duty भी नहीं पता. That type of they just scrolling the shorts in the mobile and looking, and maximum boys following the girls ID. Why? There is no end of beauty. There is no end of beauty. Control your mind, fix your mind, make your first beloved your book, your career, become independent, become successful. I will assure you, you will get maximum hoor ki pari after successful. Okay, and the Bhagat Singh was like that. He, when one executioner, फांसी देने वाला, one executioner came to him and said, this is time up to being hanged up on the, so he was like that, oh, take me a little bit time because I want to just finish my book last page. And the book was like reminiscence of the Lenin. The Lenin was the philosopher of the Russia, and he was the philosopher like that, free India, free thought. He want to make the country equal and follow the communist idea. The Bhagat Singh was read that book that time in the last, the till of the breath. And what we are doing? Nothing. We are not doing anything for our country. We are just surviving. We are living in a tale fairy story. Okay. So language is the basic issue right now. Very in the current situation, the government making a hassle-fuzzle around the language and try to divide the India on the basis of language. So if we go and talk about the language, the first you get proof in the Constitution Schedule 8 and the Article 343, the Hindi is the official language. Okay, so one line define the how much diversity we have. कोस पे बदले पानी, 4 कोस पे बानी. It is the reality of India. 4 कोस means 12 kilometer. If you go 12 kilometer, Bani will change. The language will change, the tone will change, the dialect will change. And we are talking about Hindi, English, Dravid, Maharashtra, Marathi. What we are going through? It divide and ultimately divide. Yes, it is true. Some leaders get chance to be success in the election, but ultimately it divide India. Yes, English would be our occupational language, and it would be not. English is our occupational language, but Hindi is our emotional language. We are connecting itself. We are connecting the Hindi because it's written in Devanagari Lipi and it represents our emotion. How right now whatever I am trying to say in English, if you allow me to same thing said in Hindi, I will be the better elaborator. But that is British language. And if India will rule British, right now the Britisher will speak Hindi. But it is our fault that Britisher ruled us and make us understand to please speak English. English is very important. English is not that much important. It is for the sake of the money, for the sake of the job, for the sake of the business it is necessary. But please be connected with your root language. And the third is and right now I am not going to say you should become Bhagat Singh, take a revolver and fire on the Iskandars. No, you should have responsibility to you have responsibility to provide a beautiful country for the next generation. We are responsible person, and Indian next generation should be aware about the environment, economy, society, integrity, fraternity, and maintain harmony in the society. Very necessary. Girl safety and girls education is very necessary because 50% population in India is girls, women. So we should focus on that. So please make awareness. Please be aware about your surrounding. Don't follow any girls for the boys, and don't follow any boys. Please, you should become independent, and after makeup you will become pari. So don't attract. Yes, you want to attract any boy, attract by knowledge, not by your beauty. Because this nose in the old age, it will be like this side, okay. But my mind will be sharp in the future. So this should be the responsibility. If allow me, I want to sing a song, and very short of time I will prepare for it. It is about India. Can I sing? I'm not very used to, but just prepare a little bit before. जब दीजो दिया मेरे भारत ने. Can you clap? No, it's song. Within song. जब जीरो दिया मेरे भारत ने मेरे भारत ने दुनिया को तब गिनती आई. तारों की भाषा भारत ने दुनिया को पहले सिखलाई. देताना दशमलव भारत तो यूं चाँद पे जाना मुश्किल था. धरती और चाँद की दूरी का अंदाज लगाना मुश्किल था. सभ्यता जहाँ से पहले आई, पहले जन्मी जहाँ पे कला. अपना भारत जो भारत है जिसके पीछे संसार चला यूं आगे बढ़ा. भगवान करे ये बढ़ता ही रहे और फले फूले. This is the first line, and it's all about India. And the next line is about like that. है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा, है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा. मैं गीत वहाँ का गाता हूँ, भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत का गीत सुनाता हूँ मैं. है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा, काले गोरे का भेद नहीं, हर दिल में हमारा नाता है. कुछ और न आता हाँ हमको, हाँ प्यार निभाने आता है. जिसे मान चुकी सारी दुनिया, मैं बात वही दोहराता हूँ. भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत का बात सुनाता हूँ. जय हिंद, जय भारत.